This is the Helpful Lock Picker here. The video I have for you today is a challenge lock made by u/intbada called Blue Dog. I'm going to see what it takes to get inside. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths. Nothing on one. Nothing on 2. Small click on 3. Nothing on 4. Multiple clicks off of 5. 1. Click on 2. Little click on 3. Little click on 4. Multiple clicks on 5. 1. 2. Alright, that put us in a false set. Let's see what we're missing now. 1, 2, 3 counter rotation. We've lost our false set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on 1. Click off of 2, click off of 3, click off of 4, which opened us up. Alrighty, let's see what the insides look like. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Alright, let's see what the inside looks like. See if we can get the circlip off without locking it up. I believe this is the key that came with it, called Blue. Take a look at that in a minute. Key pin 1 looks pretty serrated. Two serrated. Three's a little spoolish at the top. Same on 4. A little serrated on 5. Serrated on 1. Looks like a commercial serrated on 2. It's like a spool on 3. Take a spool on 4. Okay, and got a little combo pending on 5. So I'll get you a close-up of the pins. So it looks like all the key pins had some serration to some extent. And then driver pin 1 and 2 were serrated. 3 was spoolish. 4 was spoolish. 5 was like serrated with a little like T-pin or something in that. Springs look pretty standard. And then we can open up the key here and see what it looks like. Okay, that's the bitting on the key. Alright, so this has been u/intbada's Blue Dog lock. Looks pretty cool with the front graphic he put in. We will see if he did any. It looks like he did some of the drilling in the Bible. We'll be able to see that on the camera or not. But it looks like almost all the chambers. And then he drilled 1, 2, 3 on this one. Alright guys, well thank you for checking this video out. This has been u/intbada's Challenge Lock Blue Dog. If you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see me make, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. I hope you have a great day and thank you so much for checking this out.